He loves Jack London. Jack London loves them dogs. Jack London wishes he was a dog. He loves Jack London. Jack London loves them dogs. Jack London wishes he was a dog. That's little Albany.
What did Jack London like little dogs?
Albany.
What he like little dogs? What it was like Call of the Wild was like a little shin-high Pomeranian. He was like, look, get that Pomeranian out there in the old tundra in Alaska.
Man, he'd be out there and it'd be like Puppy Kingdom. It would be Puppy Call of the Wild. He'd have terriers. He'd have little spatulas. He'd have Spangler doodles and King Pomplays. And they'd just be like, come on down, Daddy. How am I supposed to tow this big old sled, Daddy? I'm just a little
Spangler
Pomeranian.
doodle, of course.
And he'd be like, oh, just come here and cuddle. Don't you worry about them wolves now. He loves Jack London. Jack London loves them dogs. Jack London wishes he was a dog.
He'd just be out there with his little glow-in-the-dark tiny tennis ball, throwing it out in the snow. Let that little Pomeranian go get it.
Look at him. Look at him.
Go get that glow-in-the-dark tiny
him.
tennis ball. Go
Get
get it. I got
Look
it
at
just
him.
for you. I got it just for you. You go get
Dog
it.
Will Hunt. Him and Margaret Mitchell, they get in a tussle. She'd be like, look at me, my friend Saban and my man with my little mustache is gonna take me down to Paradise City. The grass is green and the girls are pretty. Whoa, take me home. And he'd be like, oh, nah, I ain't going to Paradise City unless I got me a dog. White Fang. I might be from Paulding County, but I ain't scared to get bit by a dog. He loves Jack London. Jack London loves them dogs. Jack London wishes he was a dog. He loves Jack London. Jack London loves them dogs. Jack London wishes he was a dog. Carroll County in the house.